Hi, hello, namaste. This is Santoshi. I'm expert in biology, NEET basically. So do you have idea of going into medical? Yes. So I have guided my students to secure good marks and enter in medical as well. I hope all the students will have the idea to enter in medical. Yes, am I right? Yes. So today I am going to tell about the students those who completed 10th standard along with the 12th standard. So along with this, so you have one question mark in your mind is that, so what group you have to take? Either maths, biology or commerce. So you have so many confusions in your mind. So all your surroundings will make you confusion. Yes. Today I am going to clear all your confusions regarding your future opportunities and higher studies. Okay, so before that I am going to tell about the important biology. About biology I want to say, biology you have so many options and so many career studies, so higher studies, not only the medical is the first criteria, but even we have so many options to enter. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, click on bell icon. Yes, today I am going to tell about the scope of botany and higher studies along with the career opportunities. So we have a doubt after 10th standard, after 12th standard, what to do. Yes, so those who have completed biology in 12th standard and those who completed the 10th, they have a question mark whether to go engineering, whether to go a commerce or a biology field. So if you opt for biology, don't worry my dear students, you have so many entrance and so many courses to do for well settlement. In that way I am going to help you in this through the channel, and I am going to tell that first thing is, so in future we have so many videos like each and every field in India, the options, the careers and all I will update. So don't forget to see and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Yes, so now we have so many list of medical studies. So as a biology student you are thinking and your main ambition is to do the doctor. Yes, as a NEET means doctor. So you will think doctor I want to do. So first option is going to the list is the MBBS, master. Yes, master, there's a bachelor course for surgery, MBBS, and next one is a BDS course, BDS, and BHMS, homeopathy, Ayurvedic medical is there, and B pharmacy, BSc, and physiotherapy, optimist, diploma course, and medical lab technician, diploma in medical lab technician. Yes, these are the 12 main list of medical studies. I repeat, medical, BDS, BHMS, BAMS, B Pharmacy, BSc Nursing, BOT, BUMS, D Pharmacy, MLT, DMT. So these all are medical studies. Yes, you can opt for these things. So in the next video, so we are going to share about this college university is offering you basing on which mark. So as you know, NEET is the first criteria. Yes, NEET is the first criteria. So you have to work for that. Next, if you miss this medical studies, so what you have to step next is the agriculture studies. Agriculture, BSc Agriculture, Bachelor of Science courses, that is agriculture. Next one, agriculture, genetics, agro, fisheries and horticulture, along with that food business, diploma in agriculture. So my dear students, remember diploma varies in state to state. Yes, if it is going to 10th, you have to pass out with good percent, then they can opt for you agriculture in diploma. And you have to complete after 12th PCB, physics, chemistry, biology. If you complete physics, chemistry, biology, then you can go for agriculture. So along with this, veterinary course is going to opt BVSC, that is undergraduate program. Undergraduate program lessons, veterinary is also one science of courses and it is equal to the medical. Undergraduate, it is like bachelor veterinary science that you can do. So no, don't worry. So I am going to tell the list of opportunities, but I am going to reveal all the specific biology field, how to settle and how to promote your studies and how to step in your main ambition courses. Don't worry for that. This is only interactive. So next is job prospects. And So if you step in the biology field, so what are the main job prospects we are seeing? Plant explorer. So if you are not good at studies somewhat, you can go for photography. And conservation, molecular biologist, plant biologist, horticulture. So you can go with these job prospects also. Yes. Next, if you are good at scientist, I'm going to become a scientist. I'm going to become a research scholar. So you have so many options. Like first is affiliated of Ministry and Environmental Forest. Yes, this is there in Dehradun and Ahmedabad. Affiliated to Ministry of Environment and Forest. Next is Indian Council of Agriculture Research. That is there in Calcutta and Jhansi. Yes. Next is Industrial Research. They are present in Lucknow, Mysore, Nagpur. Next one is Medical Research, Dehradun Research Academics, Bangalore and Delhi. So if you are offering for research courses after 12th, so you can go with all these affiliated groups. So then what you have to do in Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai. So in these three areas along with Lucknow, you have so many courses regarding the research. So you can opt for the research. Yes, these are the main top medical studies what I have said to you. And next, so this and all we don't want. So you can step over the teaching field. Teaching field means you can opt your 11th and 12th after completion of a state board or a CBSE. You can go for BSc courses, Bachelor Science course, that you have to have good knowledge. That means good knowledge, how to get a good knowledge. So keep in your mind that so you are perfect in a specific subject. Yes, take a subject like if you are interested in a specific subject, yes, you can take in BSc. Example, BSc Botany. Yes, you can take BSc Botany. Then MSc Botany you can complete. Master Science you can get. Then along with that you can go with MPhil. So if you are good at, you can go for PhD also. PhD, yes, doctorate you can take. Yes. So if you completed this orientation, you can have good openings in government sector for teaching field. Teaching field means in degree level you can write. Degree level in the sense if you are handling or if you have taken the PhD doctorate, you can take the BSc certificate. That is BSc professors, lectures you can write. So you can go for degree. So government can offer you regarding that seats. So no, if you only completed MSc and BEd, you can go for 11th standard, like 11th and 12th higher secondary grade as a lecturer in the state or central board you can opt. So if you have stopped the 10th standard, right? So if you have detailed, okay, after that you can go for diploma courses. Diploma courses you can go. So then you can go with some industries. Industries also offering for science students mostly. So like that you can go and you can have a better settlement. So now I sharing this is with you is because confusion happening the students what to do. My suggestion is that to maintain only one goal in your mind. Yes, so I feel in next videos I am going to share as I discuss. So mostly all the biology maximum fields, how to enter the percent and what schools are offering, what colleges are offering, what universities are offering in India. So feel free and you can take a part. I am going to tell all the details to you. If you like video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.